Okay guys, we're back at St. Vincent de Paul. You guys know this is the only thrift store that stresses me out. It is a traditional thrift store here in Fort Lauderdale. It's not sized, it's not done by color. It is separated by category. But yeah, that's it. So this is all done for the thrill of the dig. This is not a place, I mean, I guess you could come here and source if you have Poshmark or eBay. But this is literally just for the thrill of it, knowing that you may come up on Chanel, you may come up on Dior, you may come up on various brands. It'll be one or two pieces, but it'll be a piece that sells for you, or a really fabulous cape. That's really what I'm here for, because I haven't found a cape in like probably months. So let's go ahead. So look at what I just found. What a beautiful, it looks like a vanity and the mirror. And it is, oh, yeah, okay. $300. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but it's beautiful. Beautiful piece. Let's walk back here. So I just walked back here. I'm gonna get these two chairs. They're $20 each. I'm actually gonna see if I can get them for a little bit cheaper. Y'all know how I do. Why not? A lot of the stores will negotiate price, so I'm gonna see if I can get it for a little bit cheaper. But yeah, I want it for my dressing table that I got from, what do you call it? From City Furniture. Sorry, I'm like walking, talking, thinking all at the same time. Let me see if he'll give it to me for 10. Okay. So welcome to my brain. So you just saw the pieces that I found at Vincent de Paul. So this is what my brain did. After I found those chairs, I was like, you know what? I saw a mirror at ReStore, the Habitat ReStore here in Broward. And I wonder if they still have it, because it has that whole like gold and silver look. It would go with the chairs in my dressing table really, really well. So I didn't even get to go upstairs at St. Vincent de Paul. I'm here at ReStore. Let's go and see if they have the mirrors and how much they are. I think they were like 25 bucks, but let's go in. This is how my brain works. Like, I get so distracted. I left. I was like, wait, wasn't I supposed to be doing a video on the whole entire thrift store? Anyway, we're at ReStore. Let's go see the mirrors. Okay, so let's go to the mirrors. I brought you here. I brought you guys here before, right? So they have like sofas and all that kind of stuff, but I'm not about that life. They have this bed. How much are they selling it for? $499. I'll show you this bed, but that's not what I'm here for. I'm here for the mirrors. Okay, how do I get around there? Let's see. Oh, here we go. Let's see. So this mirror here, oh, it's cracked. It wasn't cracked before. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Okay, this is it's $4.99, of course, because it's cracked now. All right. There's some other mirrors that they have. Okay, that sucks. Look at that headboard. You see the headboard there? All right, so that vision is over. You want to see some other stuff in here? Let's take a look. Ooh, this is nice. It's already sold. It's really pretty though. They have beds. They have whole sets. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've seen this, because I was here the other day and I did an Instagram story. But yeah, they have everything in here. Once again, if you're a rehabber and you like to do this kind of stuff, this is the place for you, honey. They have it all here. I'm so mad about my mirror though. So guys, I'm addicted to furniture. I think Because when I see stuff that's so different and so unique, I absolutely love this. Let me stand back so you can see it. Isn't that amazing? Somebody bought this bedroom set. And tell you, Salvation Army is the place, honey. This was $1.99 for the drawers, 60 each. I don't know how much the bed was, but yeah, somebody got that. That's a good deal, darling. Good deal, but I really like this. How much was this again? This was $79.99. It's such a unique piece. What do you think? Let's think about it a little bit. All right, let's walk around. Oh, how beautiful is that? I always think about what kind of house this came from. $299.99. I have such elaborate furniture. It's gorgeous. The stately desk. Another armoire. I'm finding a lot of armoires. This is beautiful. Okay, so here you have it. Here are my two chairs. My husband and my daughter are using my dressing table as their desk, which I don't appreciate, but it is what it is. So yeah, so here are my two chairs. Once I get everything situated, I'll show you how I set up all my makeup once they move all their stuff. But because we just moved, this is what it's looking like. But isn't this cute? Oh my God, I love these chairs. It's all coming together. All right, so see you soon on the next furniture adventure. Bye. Check out some of my favorite thrift stores in West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, and Miami, Dallas, and Chicago. DionDean.com/list.